We're making pan sauce pork chops. For the best result, brine your chops overnight with salt, molasses, and brown sugar. Pork chops go in, we're all going to bed. We're having pork chops tomorrow. You can see the brine has done its job. Dry them off real good and back in the fridge to dry out before we cook them. Remember, there was sugar in the marinade. Don't put it in a scorching hot pan or a scorching hot grill, but you do want to sear them first. Gorgeous. Sear them on both sides. Those are getting finished in the oven. Immediately deglaze with shallots. And we need our fruits and our veggies and some good bone broth to reduce for this delicious sauce. We're making sweet and salty mash for this. Once you get the desired consistency, you're done. But I'm gonna strain mine because I love my family tonight. Some nights they ain't worth straining the sauce. Last minute, cold butter, hot sauce, and swirl. Tell me that pork chop isn't pretty. Showstopper? Yep.
Oh my God. That is fine dining. Sweet, tangy, savory. That sauce tastes like it took days and lots of veggies. You pop 2 cans to make that sauce. No, that is really fine.
That's a one and done. Pork chops with pan sauce.